Hello and good afternoon, nice people. We are back in Dhaka finally. So while we were in Borishal, what happened, Gigi?
We dropped the drone in water.
Yes, that was a fun experience. If you don't know about it, you can check out our video. We linked it somewhere around here.
You can keep it a bit in the sun, if not.
No, wait, I have to clean the rice out of it first.
Take it away, there's some buds here. Can you put it somewhere else? Please? Okay, there. And be careful of the cable.
Cable.
Oh my. We have to be very careful now. But I have it's doing something. You needed to blow dry it, right? That was the problem. Oh wow. Oh my god, it's working! Oh, yay! Oh my! Oh my god, oh god. Okay, don't get it any higher. Cables.
And now we're going with the drone to go fix it because I saw on the internet a guy, his name is the Dodo Doctor, and supposedly he's the best drone fixer around Dhaka, so we are gonna check it out and see, I don't know, if he can fix it or not.
And we already have a crowd here. Can you show
Yes,
the people?
and we already have a cloud. Hello! And the crowd is dissipating.
They ran
Yes.
away.
Okay, let's go and fix the drone and hopefully it will fly again.
This is our drone and it's gonna be repaired very, very soon. It has a lot of mud and stuff in it. So like, super happy to be here. I'm sorry, what's your name? Imon. Okay, so we're here with Imon and he is trying to make our drone work perfectly. I'm super excited finally.
When it comes to water, then we can
Water damage indicator, and this is 3 damage indicator.
Yes. And the red
There
bits
is also a indicator here.
inside. Yes, I see there's already red a little bit around here, see?
It will go away.
And here the redness also like is from the water damage indication. Yes, this needs to be cleaned.
This was stuck in the water, like, and he was like very, very amazed how this is still working after repairing $300-400 drones, man.
Well, what
Do you
can I say?
realize how lucky you are?
Yes, what can I say?
We're so lucky. Okay, everything is
I want to take a picture.
disassembled now with our drone doctor here. It's very nice.
It's kind of these conditions spare works.
Okay.
I never find. It was your ESC.
Yeah, I see.
ESC.
Yeah,
Electronic speed controller.
yes.
See?
Yeah.
Was the situation. But after wash, it became like this.
Clean. Yes.
Each and every part was so dirty and the fungus was going up.
That fungus.
So I don't know
How did fungus get there?
for the water. You are lucky. I never seen this condition drone works without any spare damage. Never seen.
Thumbs up to our drone doctor.
Very good.
See, it's like new.
Yes, nice and clean. And no more green stuff here.
Yeah. Round up to serve you. Yeah, sure.
Did you try to fly with it?
Sorry?
Did you try to fly with it?
Yeah. I already.
What about the other battery that was in the water?
No, I never tested it.
Miracle of time. We received Halim.
Yes. Ali.
And the best drone guy in the country in Bangladesh.
It's beef.
Beef Halim. Okay. Here's Let's try it, mate.
I love Halim. But it's hot now.
Oh, it's hot.
Yes, that's why it's really hard. Doing it.
He's saying that I got international client.
International client.
I'm Halim.
Malaysia থেকে নক করে ইন্দোনেশিয়া থেকে নক করে
Very good Halim.
সেটা সাউথ আফ্রিকা থেকে নক সেকেন্ড জাস্ট
But this one is also good.
It's very good.
Yes.
It's way different than what we tasted in Old DHAKA, for example.
Yes, it's better than the one.
It's way better than that one. It's like a totally different dish.
Quite bad.
Raja. Yes, sure.
Their tea is too delicious, too tasty.
Uh-huh.
So
I'm going
must
to-
check.
Okay, so
See the chai trinkets?
I see them, of course. And this is the type of tea they're having? Okay. Menu. Oh, okay. Perfect, very nice.
Support. Tissue paper. Support.
For support, yes. Oh, and a cup also. Very elegant. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you so much.
কার মোবাইলে কি নেট আছে? নেট আছে?
Sweet. And also a lot of stuff inside.
নেট কি মানে
I cannot pinpoint what it is, but it's sweet and good. I cannot describe it.
Do you like it better than other teas?
It's different. It's nice. Yeah.
What about like with the 8-layer tea?
I told you that was a rip-off. I'm not. I mean, it looks nice, but tastes like water.
Really?
No, not this one. Other one.
Another one. This one is good, so yeah.
Yes. I approve. Yo.
Looks good.
And looks like the guy was nice enough and he cleaned our drone very well, and we recommend his services to all the people of Bangladesh and of Dhaka, of course, because it's in Dhaka, who have a drone and who wants to clean it up. You should go to the drone doctor. He will hook you up and he will clean all your drones and all your other things and fix it and I don't know, replace it and exchange parts. He's very good at it. So yeah, now we're in this bazaar area and somehow we have to find our way back home. It's getting crowded, so it's time to say goodbye.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.
Sure, see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share and blah 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 blah. Bye.